Hello and welcome to our Click to Dial tutorial for Collections Max Professional. My name is Frank. I'm with the Decca Software Company, and we're going to set up Click to Dial. I'm going to show you how to do this. You can use either soft phones or Skype. The first thing you're going to want to do is log into your Collections Max Professional. You can use basically any collector. This has to be done per computer. So you're going to do this for every computer that is running Collections Max Professional in your office or outside the office or whatever. So once this loads, what you're going to do is you're going to go over here to the gear icon. It's a settings icon. You're going to click it and you're going to enter your administrator authorization password. And over here on the right hand side you're going to see the settings for Click to Dial. So it says it's not set up, so we're going to click the button here to set this up. Now there's a few different options. You have your Windows phone dialer. This is a dialer built into Windows. Skype is for the Skype application for Windows. You can use this, will automatically default right to Skype. We have a custom one where you can either specify SIP, tel, call to. Most of these things are they're supported by other soft phones, so if they have URIs that are SIP, tel, or call to, you could do that. Or you could put in something like, let's say you had to put in, number 9 to dial out and the phone number. You could do something like this and it'll dial 9 first and then the phone. So as long as the phone number is put in there, you could have customized dialing plans and stuff like that. So we're not going to do that though. What we're going to do is we're just going to hit Skype. We also have a Atlas voice mail drop option. We're partners with Atlas voicemail, and this will allow you to, when you set this up, it'll allow you to make voicemail drops on the cell phone number. So instead of calling or a cell phone, which you're really not supposed to, it can just do a voicemail drop. So we're just going to hit Skype, click Save. You'll see that it's set up for Skype. Click OK. Now if we go to this alternate phone and we click the telephone icon here, next to it, you're going to see this. You sure you'd like to call this? If I clicked yes, it would automatically dial it. But what we're going to do is we're going to kill it because that's not a real phone number. But as you see, it works fine with Skype, and it'll work fine with any of your other SIP phones or whatever. So thank you for watching this tutorial, and we'll catch you on the flip side sometime.